So in biology, you're going to be presented with cases where you're not just given a math problem to solve. You need to, you're just presented with a load of facts and you need to work out what to do. Or in this module, you'll be presented with word problems that you need to solve. So what you need to do is turn these thoughts and these sentences into equations that you can then work with in the normal manner. So how do you do that? First of all, you assign variables, so letters, meaningful letters, to the different values you're interested in. And then you write an equation describing their relationship. Or what you know about them. So what do I mean by that? Let me just show you. I'm going to show you 3 examples of just how you would go about turning a sentence into an equation. So for example, the number of first year undergraduates studying in MBB, BMS and APS is 613. So now what I do is I write, let the number of MBB students equal M. I've chosen M because it stands for MBB. I don't care, it could be X or Y or whatever, but sometimes it's useful to use letters that mean something to you. The number of BMS students be B, and the number of APS students be A. So therefore we know that M plus B plus A, so if we add up the MBB students, the BMS and the APS students, that is equal to 613 students. And that's all we can do for that. We can't, if we had some more information then we could go about solving it better, but that's all we know in this example. About another example, so let's say that 50 microliters of enzyme A generated 42 millimoles of product. So what do we know? So let's say we're going to let the activity of 1 microliter of enzyme be, let's say A, because it's enzyme A, doesn't really matter. So therefore we know that 50 times A, so 50 times the activity of 1 microliter gives us 42 millimoles of product. So 50 times the activity of 1 microliter gives us 42 millimole. And a third example for this slide, let's say that the concentration of solution A is 100-fold greater than the concentration of solution B. So here I would say let the concentration of solution A be represented by the letter A, and the concentration of solution B be represented by the letter B. So therefore we know that A is 100-fold greater than B, so therefore A is equal to 100 times B. We need 100 times more B to get the same amount of stuff as we have in A. So those are 3 examples. They're all different things you can do, but you just need to learn to think about this in a way to make an equation out of all these different sentences.